The 0xc00007b error, annoying name but totally fixable. Let's squash it together. First things first, run a full system scan with your antivirus. Viruses can cause this error, so let's rule that out. Next, restart your PC. Yep, sometimes that's all it takes. Still stuck? Right-click the program and choose Run as Administrator. This gives it extra access to system files. If that doesn't work, check for Windows updates. Head to Settings, hit Update Only Security, and install what's pending. Try reinstalling the app from its official website. Fresh installs fix lots of glitches. Next up, repair DirectX. Download the DirectX end-user runtime from Microsoft's website. While you're at it, enable Net Framework in Windows features and update your graphics drivers. Still seeing the error? Reinstall the Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables, also from Microsoft. For stubborn cases, run sfc, scano, and dism, restore health in command, prompt as admin. And finally, check your hard drive with chkdesk cf-r. Quick recap: scan for viruses, restart, run as admin, update, reinstall, and check system files. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy PC fixes.